If we bring this line forward 2 millimeters, the panel clears the harness.
The clearance at frame 25 stays within tolerance?
It should. Check the spec here.
Got it, 2.43.
The cutter carves through the billet with micron-level accuracy, shaving away everything that isn't a fuselage frame. Each pass leaves a mirror-bright surface coated in just a breath of oil, ready to carry the loads of a super...
Width 75.002, center bore 20.001.
Sparks on, feeding the rod in slow, keeping the puddle tight. You can see the heat colors running out, straw, blue, then purple. That's the alloy telling you it's happy. Walking it forward, keeping the shield right over the bead while it cools.
Beautiful stack, man.
Charlie coming right 5 feet, load steady.
Copy, 5 feet.
Hold it there, bringing it down half a foot per.
Roger, eyes on the ring.
Aligning, good, take her down.
Harness through the channel. Keep the strain even. Blue conductor stripped to length. Contact on and locked. Crimp verified, seated and secure.
See how the primer's feathered here? That's going to make the top skin go on a lot smoother. Yeah, this one still needs the bonding blocks installed. We'll catch it on the next shift. Drop you a flag on the log before I head out.
Clevis pin seated. Safety wire threaded, 2 twists per millimeter, trimmed and tucked. Hydraulic line charged, fluid movement confirmed.
Each cycle draws the gear up into its bay, locks it, and drives it back down again. Spotlights show the scuffing on the trailing arm and the polish on the chrome strut. The hydraulic pump...
Line's tight all the way to the blister, no gaps.
Copy. I'll lock this edge and run the corner.
Looks good. Primer won't sneak under that.
Last strip here, then we can roll it in.
Inside the booth, robotic applicators layer on the primer in precise, overlapping passes. The mist you see is overspray being pulled toward exhaust screens, while the fresh coating lays down smooth and even across the jet skin.
Guided by alignment rails and a hydraulic hoist, the F-16's engine slides into its bay with millimeter precision. The polished titanium and steel surfaces catch the work lights as technicians ease the power plant home.
Displays. Guided by alignment pins, the display slides into the panel with only a fraction of a millimeter of tolerance. Torque-limited drivers lock each corner in place. Each
Front bolt snug. I'm going to torque the aft side now. That's seated. Good alignment.
Seat lock, torque to spec. Cam latch, secure. Safety pin inserted, flag visible. Positive lock verified. Ejection seat is safe and ready for install.
Coming in clean.
Okay.
600. Okay. Hold. Final push. 0. Fit confirmed. Wing seated. Pin secure.
Copy. Guiding it past group 4 now. Good. Let the bend. Rolling the hook. Connector seated. And locked. Listen. Perfect click. We'll tie it in. Riding straight in. Seals meeting all the way around.
Copy. Taking the film.
Clean glass. Just lock it.
Gauging latch.
Solid. Looks perfect.
Sliding in. Keep it level.
Got it. Contacts are lined up.
Pushing home. Listen for the click.
There. Green light's on.
Locking latch.
Blue connector seated. Twisting.
Torque
Locked in.
spec.
Self-test running.
And pass.
Nice.
I'm scanning along the stringer weld now. Good coupling. Signal's nice and clean. There's a little reflector right there marking that location. Rest of the bead looks solid. I'll note the coordinates.
Holding steady.
Rock solid. Go ahead.
Fits in driving.
Connectors lined up and seated.
Swapping the torque driver. That's 1 click, 2, and final.
Flush and clean. Nice fit.
Lock nut goes on next. Pack. Final torque 3,200 newton meters. Solid. Checking pressure. We want 320 psi. Forward edge is sitting on the dowel. Hold it right there.
Copy. Sliding gauge in. 0.2 feels tight.
Adjusting there.
Gap reads 1.9. That's right on spec.
Installing temp pin. Click. Lock.
Seams clean. You're good to torque.
Oops, threads are clean, compounds on, seating the fitting now snug. Torquing to 70 inch-pound. There's the click. Pressure coming up to 50 psi. Probe. Live, no rise on the meter, no hiss, joints tight, fuel system secure.
Forward lock seated, lasers on. I'm showing 210 high on roll.
Copy. Bring the torque up, 220 newton meters, green light.
Alignment locked, pin check good. You're clear on the rear.
Tag flag, configuration verified.
Guided through the spine of the jet, the aluminum ducting is threaded past bulkheads and wiring looms. Each joint is beaded, clamped, and torqued to spec, forming the artery for conditioned air that will cool Aviation.
Sliding the hydraulic pump switch into place, seating and locking screws 1 and 2. Continuity check, forward position tone and 0.1 ohms, back to off open, LED test good amp.
Steady.
Copy. First screw going in. Torque feels good.
Beads on. I'll cap the connector.
Wipe and check.
Powering test. Green steady.
Seal uniform. Looks tight.
Down 5 millimeters. Steady. 3, 2.
Copy.
Low to center. Pins are lining up. Hold right there. Let it.
Contact made. Flush on both sides.
Use the crane. Start.
The environmental control system's expansion valve is positioned on its bracket, where conditioned bleed air will first shed heat. Stainless hardware secures the anodized body, and a precise...
Blue line seated, turning it on. You good on the alignment?
Laser shows 0.01 high right. Let me bring it down. There, dead center.
Locked. Pressure coming up, static, 2992, pitot 150. Holding.
Lasers on, reading left 3/10. Copy, hold torque at 95. Dialing there, center line locked. Go ahead and release. Release, travel looks good. Gaps 5.2, right in spec. Nice, marker green.
Bombs on.
Copy. Feeding shoulder straps through the slots.
Lap belt next. I'll torque the right side.
Buckle seated. Pull test.
Good click.
Release check.
Smooth.
Install complete.
Feeding slack, tell me when you're lined up.
Got it. Bracket holes are clear. Drop it in.
Coming down, hold steady, threads are started. Torquing.
Cables dressed, no twist.
Final click, marking.
Clamp tight and strain relief
Antenna
locked.
secure, looks close.
Shock mounts are aligned. Seat the housing against the bracket. There. Alignment pins engaged. Torquing to spec. 40 inch-pounds. Connector clear. Dust cap off. Made the recorder.
Flight control power on. Navigation light cycling. Copy.
HUD is coming up.
I've got display screen across the board. Gun bay door test now. Motor sounds good. No binding. Table air sweep in 3.
Movement confirmed.
It flows. Pressure climbs. 140 psi on the nose. He brushes on leak solution. Bubbles threaten. A quarter turn with the wrench seats the seal. The detector probe sweep.
USB-C programming link in. Firmware upload starting. Watch progress bar. Voltage at test point 5 looks good. Flash complete. ECU rebooted and online.
Nose gear strut, no leaks. Pressure within spec, 1,250s.
Copy. Marking that green. Left intake panel secure. Fasteners torque to spec.
Verified. Right wing access panel 12 reinstalled. Torque 65 inch.
Received. Exterior inspection.
No index marks lined up. Pushing in.
Seated. Go ahead with torque.
90 inch-pounds. There's the click.
Bleed line connected. Pressurizing 50 psi.
Soap check. No growth. She's tight.
Locked and leak free. Good to go.
Starting from center, pull the film back at a low angle.
Copy. Squeegee coming through.
You see the fluid track? That means contact right down to the
Bubbles
primer.
out. Heat in the arrow.
Give it a pass around the rivet line.
Done. Edges locked.
As the piston retreats, the wheel swings smoothly into the bay and the inner doors close over it.
Cycle complete. Doors latched. Re-exterior. Move it down 2 more inches. Right there. Down.
Pins are lining up. Ease it in.
Copy.
Load off the hoist. Flush all the way around. Gap's good.
Go for torque.
First fastener, 45 inches.
Laying down nice. You see it flashing off. Yeah, uniform all the way. No streaks. I'll give it one more pass along the intake.
Copy. I'll finish the wingtip and call it good.
And watching the needle. There it goes past 4.5. Bringing it back and settle right on 5. Digital reference reads 30.000, holding steady, calibration verified.
Clear. Power-up sequence begins with external power applied through the test carts. Voltage climbs past 27 volts and stabilizes. Instrument panels illuminate, flight computers wake, and...
So again, locked.
Go ahead with data.
Red connector on, twist secured, power next.
Copy. Bringing it up.
Fan spinning, green LED, passing self-test.
Data flow nominal.
Flight control.
Starting handshake with the launch rail. Green light, continuity pulses look clean. Interfaces are reading within 1/10 of a millivolt. Clamp circle cycling now. Watch the reflection on the mounting plate. Data line check, that's solid.
Sliding in, line. You see the pins?
Yep, J1 line in green.
Locking left side.
Right side good. Cable coming in.
Secure. Running audio test.
Phone up.
Core operational.
Torque applied to the mounting ring seats the antenna flush to the gimbal. The technician brings in the alignment unit, laser crosshairs verifying azimuth and elevation within it.
Intake's clear. No debris on the lower lip. Mirror shows good surface integrity along the upper curve. We're checking around every rivet line, looking for nicks or loose fasteners, anything that could turn into FOD. Leading to the fan.
Front face ring, hold steady first bolt in, so you can see the flush. Go ahead. 4 pounds, click, moving clockwise. Locks, O-ring's good, final torque, green light.
Coming up, passing 45.
Copy. FC position feed line, couplings dry.
Holding steady, 55 PSI, regulators locked.
Indicator screen on my side, let's call it
Test
sealed.
complete, logging now.
Power is up, flight control computer is online, all buses green. We have hydraulic pressure on both systems A and B, running control surface sweep, stand by. Good response, nav lights, anti-collision, and data link confirmed, proceeding to next item.
Sliding the APX-17 control unit onto its rails, we line up the gold contacts with the aircraft's data bus connector. Each Torx fastener is torqued to 0.8 of a Newton meter, locking the module in place.
4-6 left, torque seal intact, no blemish. Logging now.
Copy. Final visual confirms. Recording.
Radome seam clean, static port clear. Last item.
QA complete. Sign it.
Submitted. Final inspection closed.
Axle. The external power receptacle seats flush with the F-16 skin. A torque driver secures each fastener to spec. Gold-plated contacts mate with the plug and the weather.
Coming in at 78 microns on the first pass.
The altimeter is brought to test pressure. We close in on the 10-foot index and microdial the pointer until it lays perfectly on the mark. The digital standard confirms 29.
The actuator extends, driving the outboard panel upward. Strain gauges along the spar record every newton of load as the hinge opens. At full travel, the wing locks at 90.
Panel seams are flush, no distortion. Surface finish looks flawless under the light.
Copy that. Pitot cover secure, streamer legible. Marking placement matches the drawing.
Fuel tank fasteners all torqued, no seal and squeeze out.
Canopy seal.
Stainless precision meets moving air. The F-16's pitot probe is threaded into place, O-ring sealed, and linked to the calibration rig. Pressure rises, airspeed unspools.
It's locked. Safety pin in. Running activation test now. Switching to test mode. Pressurizing. 29, 3000 PSI. Countdown stable. Good. Back to safe. Test complete.
Enter. Database load initialized. Progress climbing 4570. Checksum good. Waypoint index verified. Execute. Navigation database 2026 alpha active.
Bus A is live. Data links are green. We're checking navigation and flight control channels now. Probe on connector 43. Good response. Switching to secondary.
The store's management module slides in and seats on precision pins, linking the F-16's weapon pylons to the jet's data bus. A positive latch and torque set fastener lock it in place.
Here's our nose gear cell is live. I'm reading 2014.3.
Copy. Recording.
CG lasers on the plate. Taped to bow ref. 247
Got
inches
it.
even.
Tails balanced within tolerance.
Final nose weight 201.
Copy. I'm seeing 36 amps steady. Lens temperature holding at 34 Celsius.
Roger that. Cycling off. And back on.
Beam pattern stays sharp. Test complete.
Acceptance page. Landing gear torque readings all signed. Ready for your initials.
Cross check with the digital log. Box ticked. Initials here.
Good. Go ahead and scan the acceptance tag.
Code reads. Green check.
All right. Delivery status confirmed. That's a wrap.
Edge seals are flush, no gaps. You seeing the same?
Yep, readings match spec. Surface finish is within tolerance, 38 gloss units.
Copy. Moving to wing group panel 14A.
Go ahead, I'll log the torque witness marks.
Aligned, installing top right fastener, torque set to 14 inch-pounds. Fastener seated flush, bottom pair secure, with verified 101.6 millimeters, scanning QR match confirmed, 09.
Each control surface is cycled through its full range, verifying actuator response and flight computer commands. The system relays every position change to the ground test station in real time.
Power bus A, 28.2 steady. Probe secure, reading stable. Test point 2, standby, good continuity, green light. Power bus A confirmed. Logging pass and moving to breakers.
Panel seated, holding flush. First latch engaged, second latch locked. Gasket compression even all the way around. Feeler gauge clean, no daylight. Fastener secure, panel serviceable.
Sitting at 310. Bleed it down to 305. Copy 308, 305 even. Good. Torque's at spec. Marking it. Looks solid. We're green for tow.
Film's coming off clean. No residue left on the leading edge.
Copy that. Surface looks perfect under inspection light.
I'll log it. You can mark the intake as cleared.
Checked and cleared. Moving to the nose panel.
Final corrective action entered, maintenance task closed. A clean signature certifies the work, and the completed stamp locks it in the record. The digital system mirrors the paper copy, verifying...
Torque stripes intact, no witness movement on the clamp.
Copy. Hydraulic feed line serial 68 verified.
Data plate reads Juliet 59, matches the log.
Checking off. Final torque check on the lower bracket.
Done.
Coming up 2 feet. Nice and steady. Hold it there.
As the F-16 is prepared for its journey, every surface is shielded and every connection double-checked.
Lowering. Brace lock. Set her down.
Surface seam at station 42, flush, no edge step.
Copy. Fasteners torque marked and sealed.
Intake lip finish.
Uniform, no tool drag. Recording.
Tailpipe pedals, no discoloration beyond spec.
Final quality complete.
Signature complete, date 18 December 25.
Delivery officer verification, signing now. Authorized, document accepted.
Beacon off alignment looks good.
Defects. At Fort Worth, the latest F-16 rolls from the floor, bound for its new home. Every panel, every rivet reflects months of precision work and inspection.